Spring has arrived, and along with it, the realization that the grass will need mowing in the near future. We have been very pleased with our traditional riding lawnmower, but realize that it might be time to upgrade to a zero-turn unit, as we have a number of trees and objects to mow around on our property, and our current unit is almost 30 years old. After reviewing the many options, it came down to wanting a trusted brand name and a local dealer that would be there when we needed help or service. So we decided on the John Deere Z540R. This particular unit has a 60-inch deck, which will be too large for our property and also too wide to fit on our 5-foot by 8-foot utility trailer, which we hope to use for transporting the unit when mowing for our clients. So today we are at the dealership checking it out, and now we will have to wait for them to order an identical unit with a 54-inch deck for our needs.